from the pictures you have to identify the machine. Okay, so you have to identify, you need to help me, मुझे याद नहीं है अभी, तो आप मुझे बताओगे उसमें से कौन से मशीन्स है, राइट, और कौन से नेचुरल थिंग्स है. तो आर यू ऑल रेडी टू हेल्प मी? मुझे हेल्प करने के लिए रेडी हो सब लोग? Okay, my smarties are ready. Let's go ahead. Okay. So yes, here is the worksheet. Wow, lots of pictures are there. Yes, I can also see. Okay, can you all see? Can you all see pictures in front of the screen? Yes. Okay, so let's go ahead with the first line. ठीक है, हम लोग सबसे पहले लाइन के ऊपर चलते हैं. Now, ये क्या दिख रहा है? What is this? Is this a JCB? है ना? So ये मशीन की तरह लग रहा है. Am I right? Is this a machine? ये एक मशीन है? Yes, I can see lots of thumbs up. So mark करें इसको. Shall we mark this? Shall we tick mark this? Okay. So I'm marking this. Yes. Okay. Next, what is this? Is this a machine? If you want to say no, you have to do this. You have to do this. Yeah. So this is not the machine. We are very smart. We can identify the machine. This is not the machine. Okay. What is this? Is this a fan? So fan is the machine? Yes or no? Is fan machine? Yes, fan is the machine. So let me take. Okay, yes. Okay, let's go to the next line. You all are doing great job. Okay, this is a water bottle. This is a water bottle. Is it a machine? Is it a machine? Yeah, smart. Okay, what is this? I think this is a tablet. It's like a mobile phone. Is it a machine? Tablet is a machine. Yes. It's so easy. Oh my God. Woo woo, dog. This is a dog. Dog is an animal. Is it a machine? Yay! Dog is not a machine. Okay, let's go to the next line. Oh, what is this? What is this? Is it a cooler? Cooler? AC के जैसा दिख रहा है कुछ? कूलर AC के जैसा? Oh! Lots of thumbs up. Okay, I'll listen to you. Okay. Oh, what a beautiful school bag. School bag. Is it a machine? मशीन है, अपने आप चलता है? नहीं, this is not a machine. ये हमको फूल बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Okay, bag is not a machine. Oh, now last one. What is this? Computer. So is computer a machine? Yes, computer is a machine. So let's do it. Yay, we completed question number 1. Clap for yourself. खुद के लिए clap करो पहले, सबसे पहले. चलो clap करो. Yay, we have completed question number 1. Okay, let's go to question number 2. Let's move to the question number 2. Okay, don't worry, I will read it for you. You just have to tell me the answer. Okay, I will read this text for you. Okay, so the question says, read the clue and match with the name of the machine. यहाँ पे मशीन जो काम करती है वो लिखा है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, एंड राइट हैंड साइड मशीन का नाम लिखा है. नेम्स आर गिवन. ओके, तो हम देखते हैं सबसे पहला क्या है. फर्स्ट, यक्षित सिट डाउन, वी आर गोइंग टू हैव फन. इसके बाद और गेम है, गेम. सो वेट. ओके, तो फर्स्ट सेज दिस मशीन वॉशेस क्लॉथ्स. ऐसा कौन सा मशीन है जो कपड़े धोता है? I don't remember. Do you all remember? Okay, I will read the name. Okay, is it a refrigerator? फ्रिज कपड़े धोता है. Washing machine. Is it a washing machine? Is it a washing machine? Yes, yes, yes. The answer is right. So, yay! We done it. Okay, next one. This machine keeps food fresh. हमारा खाना वेजिटेबल्स फ्रेश किस में रहते हैं? ओके, लेट मी रीड द ऑप्शंस. लैपटॉप, इज इट अ लैपटॉप? लैपटॉप हमारा खाना फ्रेश रखता है? नो. टेलीविजन, टीवी, टीवी में हम खाना रखते हैं? Oh, no. Refrigerator, fridge, is it fridge? Yes, fridge. So let's do it. Yes. Okay, now third. Oh God, this machine shows cartoon. Cartoon, cartoon कौन सा machine दिखाता है? TV, is it right? TV cartoon दिखाता है? TV cartoon दिखाता है? Yes. Masha and the Bear, Tom and Jerry, Chota Bheem. Okay, and the last one is this machine works on battery. इस मशीन को चलाने के लिए बैटरी लगता है. We need a battery. बचा तो एक ही ऑप्शन है, लैपटॉप. लैपटॉप को चलाने के लिए बैटरी लगता है. यस, लैपटॉप के अंदर बैटरी होता है, हमको उसको चार्ज करना पड़ता है. यस, so the answer is laptop. And done. We're done with question number 2 also. Clap, clap, clap. It's time for clapping. Very good. So, student, I'm going to share this Excel sheet on the WhatsApp group also, so that at home also you can do this activity. Okay, let's start with the second chapter. Okay. Okay. Meanwhile, the parents who have joined late, right? I'm sharing the attendance sheet link for them. Okay, those who joined late. Okay, student, it's again game, some activity time. So what you have to do is, do you know that poem roly poly, up, 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 right? So you have to do the action. I want to see a lip sync as well as I want to see the action. Okay, roly poly, up, up, up. You have to do with me. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, right, right, right. Yay! So we're done with our exercise, done with our activity. Again, we are fresh. So let's start with the second worksheet. Okay. Can you all see the second worksheet? Some different worksheet, different pictures are in front of you. Okay, let's see what these pictures are saying. Look at the picture of children working on computer. Complete the name of the activity they are doing. Matlab, in this picture, the children are doing something on the computer, right? So हमको guess करना है कि what they are doing, right? And we have to complete it. But the completion part you will be doing at home. जब मैं ये वर्कशीट व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर करूंगी तब आप उसको फिल अप करेंगे. अभी हम लोग सिर्फ डिस्कस करेंगे, right? कि what they are actually doing. Okay, so just observe the first picture. मुझे तो दिख रहा है कंप्यूटर में से some song is coming out. Some song is coming out from the computer. Computer is singing. And the boy ने कुछ use किया है कान में. Headphone, right? Headphone. That means this boy is listening music. So you have to repeat after me. जो मैं बोल रही हूँ आपको repeat करना है मेरे बाद. Okay? Listening music. Listening music. Listening music. Okay, so that means in first picture this boy is using computer to listen music. Yes, हमको पता चल गया. Okay, next. Oh my God, one cartoon is playing on the monitor. What is the name of that cartoon? I think he is Chota Bheem. Chutki. Right. So that means watching movie. Okay, you have to say after me. Watching movie. Watching movie. Watching movie. Okay, let's see what is next. Oh my god, bat is coming out from the computer. Bat and ball. Computer, bat and ball. So that means we can use computer to play games also. You can play game with the help of computer. Okay, we'll revise the answer. Playing. Come on boys, do the action. Ball कैसे मारते हैं? Yes. Playing game. Playing game. Good one. And the last, what this beautiful girl is doing on the computer? She's drawing picture. Drawing picture. Drawing picture. Drawing picture. So yes, in the first picture, listening music. Second, watching movie. Third, playing game. Fourth, drawing picture. Drawing picture. So we got the answer. We identified what the children are doing. Okay. Now, Shlok Pawar. Wait, I will unmute you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Is there any problem? Shlok Pawar. Ma'am, you raised your hand. So is there any problem with the session? Any query? Okay. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Okay. So fill in the blanks using the words given. Now here we have to, you remember in chapter 2 we have seen computer does some work. Computer काम करता है हमारे लिए. Computer is a smart machine, right? And why it is smart, that also we have seen, right? So let's see what is given, right? Because they don't know the correct answers. Okay, so please let's help. Okay, so first is computer does dash things for us. Computer does dash things for us. कंप्यूटर हमारे लिए क्या करता है? कौन से कितने काम करता है? कंप्यूटर थिंक करता है, many places, fast, sums. So the answer is computer does many things for us. Computer does many things for us. So the answer is many. Computer एक साथ बहुत सारे काम कर सकता है. As I told you in the video, you can listen the music at the same time. You can take a print out from the computer with the help of computer. You can watch movie. You can do painting, drawing. So computer can do, with the computer we can do many things. Second, a computer works very fast. A computer works very fast, right? Computer is very fast, so computer works very fast. Third, a computer solves dash for us. जैसे मैंने बोला था, डिफिकल्ट कैलकुलेशंस कंप्यूटर ऐसे फास्ट कर देता है, राइट? तो सम्स उसको बोलते हैं सम्स. सम्स मतलब कैलकुलेशंस, एडिशन, सब्सट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन, इनको बोलते हैं सम्स. तो कंप्यूटर सॉल्व्स सम फॉर अस. फोर, कंप्यूटर cannot think. Computer cannot think. Computer सोच नहीं सकता. We can think. Computer cannot think. Fifth one, a computer used at many places. Computer is used at many places. Home, school. Then we can use computer in maybe computer is there in hotels, shops, hospitals. So computer is used at many places. So this worksheet is also I'm going to share on WhatsApp. You can complete this worksheet with help of your parents. Now parents only will read the question for you. You have to answer. Okay. अभी जब आप घर पे सॉल्व करोगे तो मम्मा पापा को सिर्फ बोलोगे that please help me in reading, but answer you will tell. Okay, and then you have to write the answer. Will that be okay? करोगे आप घर पे? Yes or no? Oh, two thumbs ups. Wow, great. Okay, okay. So we have completed two things. We have completed worksheet for chapter 1 and worksheet for chapter 2. Okay, now we'll move ahead with the introduction of lesson 3rd. हम लोग थर्ड लेसन के बारे में जाएंगे. Do you know I have planned very interesting homework for you. Okay, so I will share that homework also, that what you have to do other than worksheet. There is one interesting homework for you. Okay, at the last of the session, at the end, I'm going to share that homework with you. Okay, so let's start with the introduction part of lesson 3. So this is our lesson number 3. So the name of the lesson is parts of a computer. Now, as you know the computer, right, you can identify, okay, this is called as the computer, right? So you should know the parts. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to do one activity, again activity time. Sit in front of the computer, your screen, comfortably बैठो. Are you sitting all comfortably? Okay. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to call out body parts and you have to show that body parts in front of the screen. Okay. जैसे कि if I say eyes, eyes, your eyes. Yes. Hands, hands, hands. Yes. Okay. Chicks, chicks, chubby chicks. I have chubby chicks. Do you? Yeah, chubby chicks. Okay. Nose, nose, nose. Yes. Hairs, hairs. Oh, because of lockdown, boys have cut their hairs. I can understand. I can understand that thing. Okay. So what all this thing? These are all your body parts, right? Shoulder, 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 shoulder. Yeah. Neck, neck, neck. Rotate your neck. Show me. Rotate your neck. Okay, okay, okay. Good, good, good. So these all are our body parts. The way we have body parts, computer also have body parts, right? Computer body parts are way different from us. Okay, we have these body parts, hand, leg, head, everything, right? Same way computer is also having parts. Do you want to see computer parts? Computer के भी parts देखने हैं आपको कौन से? Are you excited? Yes, yes. Okay, I'll show you. See, 1, 2, 3. Yay! So these are the computer parts, right? So computer has monitor. Monitor, देखो जिसके ऊपर आपको स्क्रीन के ऊपर दिखता है ना, that is called as monitor. Now this is what, lots of buttons are there on it. Lots of buttons. Keys, lots of keys are there, right? So one pad is there. On that pad, lots of keys are there. Yes, keyboard. Keyboard. One flat board is there जिसके ऊपर छोटे छोटे आपके जैसे छोटे बच्चे जैसे होते हैं वैसे छोटे छोटे keys है वहां पे, right? So keyboard. Hey, what is this? छोटा सा यहाँ पे कुछ है. This is something small. Yeah, black color. Mouse. Sorry, mouse. So we have seen monitor, TV like screen दिख रहा है. So monitor. We have keyboard, we have mouse, and this is a CPU. This is CPU. CPU. Okay, so these are the parts of computer. Let's revise it. Okay, monitor. Do it with me. Do it with me. Monitor. And you have to say it also. मुझे lips हिलते हुए दिख रहे हैं आपके, दिखना चाहिए यहाँ पे. Monitor. Yakshit, you are not saying, you are only doing action. Monitor. Ah, now you all are saying. Keyboard. Keyboard. Mouse. Mouse. CPU. CPU. Why I am doing this for CPU? Because CPU is the brain of the computer. That's why I'm doing this action for CPU. 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 Okay. So these are the parts of the computer. Okay. Now it's time for homework. What homework you have to do is, if your parents are there along with you, or if they are not near by you, just call them. आपके parents को बुलाइए, साथ में बिठाइए, so that they can also see the homework. What you have to do is, in the book, page number 21, one activity is there. It's very interesting activity. Okay, children are going to love this activity. Okay, so what they have to do is, as now they know the parts, we have to take a revision so that they will be familiar with the parts. So for that, this activity is there. They have to tell you where is the keyboard, and once they identified the keyboard, with the help of yellow color, crayon colors, they have to color it, right? So right now I don't have a crayon type option, but I do have pencil type option. So I'll just show them, right? So like this, they have to so as they say this is a keyboard, so then they have to do a color, but make sure whichever color here it is written, they have to follow the instructions. So for the keyboard, they have to give the yellow color. For the CPU box, they have to give the blue color. For the monitor, red color. And for the Chutu mouse, green color, right? So this is the activity. Those students who don't have book, what they will do is, in the notebook, maybe a rough notebook, maybe a paper, just tell them to draw keyboard, or you can help them while drawing a keyboard, and then tell them to identify and color it, right? So, but they have to do this activity. Actually, when for all the first standard, I used to do this activity on the first day itself, that they have to draw a keyboard and then they have to color it and then label it also. Arrow, and then they used to write monitor, label, arrow, mouse, label, CPU, then keyboard. So with this fun activity, they will learn parts of the computer, right? So this is the homework for today's session, that they have to, if they don't have book, they will draw the keyboard, they will color the parts, and they will label it. Those who have the book, they will do this activity, which is on page number 21, activity section B. Even if your children are having book, I will appreciate if they do drawing in the notebook. After completing, if they are happy to do the drawing also, you can give this activity to drawing also, that draw in the notebook and then color it. They would love to do this. So they will do it, this activity. Okay. So yes, this was all about for today's session. In next session, I'll be, obviously next session will be a video session. So next session, I'm going to continue with the third lesson, the parts in detail. I'll be explaining the parts in detail, that what monitor does, what CPU does, what mouse does. So yes, I'm going to continue with the third lesson. Okay. So Tanmay wants to say something. Tanmay, where are you? Yeah. Okay, I'll just unmute. Yeah, you can unmute, ma'am. Ma'am, you can unmute yourself and you can ask your doubt. Yes.
हेलो.
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
हाँ, सेक्शन ए के जो क्वेश्चंस है वो भी सॉल्व करके लेने हैं क्या?
नहीं मैम, वो नहीं लेने अभी. आपको सिर्फ एक्टिविटी जो मैंने बोला है ड्राइंग वाला, सिर्फ वही करना है, बाकी नहीं करना. यस मैम. Yes, any doubt? So have you all marked your attendance? Marked your attendance? Oh, hi Richa. Richa is also sitting along with her brother. Okay. 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 So today what we have done, we have completed one worksheet. Yes, Aisha. We have completed two worksheet for chapter 1 and chapter 2. जो आप घर पे वापस करने वाले हो. And then we have seen the different parts of the computer. We have seen different parts of the computer. Just an introduction. For that, you are going to complete the coloring work, which is I know you love to do. Okay. So you are going to do a coloring work for it. Okay. Nobody is going to hassle their parents, right? You have to do it on your own. अभी आप बड़े हो गए हो, आप अभी फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में हो, right? तो पेरेंट्स आपके पीछे नहीं पड़ेंगे, करो करो. You have to tell your parents that I want to complete my activity, okay? And you are going to complete the activity, okay? So show me thumbs up that you all complete. Promise me, promise, promise. Or should we do this? Can you do this? Promise. Promise, promise, promise. Everyone. Oh, wow. Adhiraj, this way. Do this way. Adhiraj Deshmukh, do this way. Yes, promise. Rachit is doing promise like this from both the hands. Yes, ma'am, I will complete the worksheet. Okay. So this session was really very, very funny session for me just because of you all are very good students, right? So I'm very happy to have you all. And it's time to say bye-bye. Enjoy your next sessions. Okay, say bye to me. Just wave at me. Okay, I will unmute. You can unmute and you can say bye to me. Okay, somebody is not able to open the attendance link. Atharv Ingle. Okay, I will just note it down the name of your child and I will mark the attendance. Okay, sir. No problem. Atharv. Sir, I marked it. Okay, I have written the name. Okay, now lastly, I just want to listen everyone's voice for once. Okay, so I'll just unmute you. Participants, now you can unmute yourself. Just to say bye, I am giving this permission.
Bye. 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 Bye.